I have been trying to get on here for the past, 30, 45 minutes. And look, I ran into somebody that I haven't seen in I don't even know how long. So I took that chance to catch up and grab some hugs and just have fun. Anyway, it's Patti Allred here, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am in my car office. Do you have one? Yeah. I'm sitting in line waiting to pick up my amazing grandson, and I thought, well, let me just hop on here. I have me some notes to go over, and I don't have them with me. But listen, I want to just tell you, don't wait to get going. Don't think you have to know it all. Don't think that failing is bad. It sucks when you fail. It totally sucks. But if you don't fail, you're not trying to do anything. So you live and you learn, or you live and you die. It's that simple. Hey, choose to live and learn. Listen, I have a TV show out there. Yeah, I'm a star. You are so fortunate. No, I'm telling you. Listen, if I can do it, you can do it. It's Positively Patti, and I'll put the link in here and you can check it out. I am here just to help grandmas, to help busy women know that they don't have to struggle to make money online. And I'm talking like, if you want to make an extra $500 a month or more, you can do it. There are things out there. I have some videos that are free, some webinars that are free, that will show you how to make money on YouTube for free. And you know what? You don't have to put your face on there. I hate doing lives. I hate doing videos where I'm showing myself. But you know what? Go look at a few people doing them and then you think, I'll be all right. Do it. Don't think you have to have that perfect shade on, or that perfect hairdo, or clothes, whatever. Don't. You know, a lot of times I think when I go to do my lives, I think, oh, I better check and see what shirt I had on last time, because yeah, I have a closet full of clothes and I have drawers full of clothes, but can I get a freaking witness on wearing the same thing over and over again? You just have those ones that just make you feel good and comfortable. And I do that all the time. And my soon-to-be daughter-in-law said something the other day about going to buy me some clothes. And I said, girl, go in there and look. I got clothes. I just wear the same ones over and over. Wash and wear, wash and wear. And it's okay. It's okay to be yourself. It's okay to love life. You really need to love yourself, love life, find things that make you happy, and do it. I have a website that has some freebies on there that can help you make money online. I have a blog that can help you with everyday life, different things. And I'm coming from someone that has been married for 36, maybe 37 years, something like that. And I have been a stay-at-home mom for over 32 years. I have always done something to bring in an income. So I am a side hustle queen. Yes, I am. I've done it all. I've done it all right. I've done it all wrong. So I can help you not have to go through that crappy grunt work. Take advantage of it. Let me help you. Go to my website, pattiallred.com, PattiAllred.com. Go in there, find something that is free and you can check out and do it. I do have upsells on things, and I do have things that will cost you a little bit of money. I have some high ticket products too. So I've got it there for you. But if you're just getting started, or you've tried and tried and tried and failed and failed and failed, I got you. Go in there, check it out, shoot me a message, let me help you. If I'm not your girl, I've got some that can help you. Listen, whatever you do, you know, choose happy. Dang, has my air conditioner been blowing into this the whole time? Y'all may not can even hear me. All right, my grandson's going to be coming out in just a few minutes. Find the link below. Click on it. Check out, I'll put my TV show, my Positively Patti, on there, so you can check that out. And there are some other amazing women that have some shows on there as well. And it's on Everyday Everyday Women. And let's see, I was going to say something else. Yeah, go to my website, get you the freebies, and don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, or if you just want to see if I'm a real person. I am. I'm as real as they come. Listen, I love you. I want you to know that you matter. I want you to invest in yourself, whether it's with me or with someone else. Just choose happy, because it makes life a heck of a lot better. And we're all in this together. And 2021 can be the best year we've ever had so far. Click the link. Leave me a comment. I love you. It's Patti Allred in beautiful North Carolina. And I'll talk with you next.